Hello, what is your name?
Hi, my name is Arohi, and you?
I am Rashid. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's the weather like in your country?
Well, it's temperate in general. However, it varies from seasons to seasons. It rains a lot, but never snows.
What's your favorite weather?
I like it nice and warm. I really love the weather in autumn. It's wonderful and breezy.
What do you enjoy doing in your favorite weather?
I enjoy going for a walk when it's nice, warm, and breezy. There's a river nearby where I live, and I love to sit by the river bank in the sunset hour enjoying the cool breeze, blowing off the water.
Does weather affect your mood?
Well, I think in a way it does. For instance, if it's nice and warm, I enjoy doing stuff. I feel good at work. Whereas if it's cold and damp, I really don't feel like doing anything. I get irritated easily.
Does weather change from season to season in your country?
Yes, it does. It's really hot and humid during summer, whereas it's dry and cold in winter. It rains a lot in monsoon and is very windy. During autumn and spring, it's nice and warm and is breezy.
How the climate has changed in your country during the last couple of decades?
Well, it's changed dramatically due to deforestation and global warming. And it's been a negative change. The weather would change in a certain pattern from season to season in the past, but now it's very erratic. It used to be temperate throughout the year, but now it's extremely hot and humid in summer. It'd rain a lot in monsoon, but now it doesn't rain in the usual time.
Does changing of seasons affect people's mood?
Yes, weather affects our mood. We feel drowsy in winter and excited in high summer, while spring brings positive relief to our mood.
Do seasons affect the farming or production of your country?
Yes, they do. Farmers in Bangladesh mainly rely on rainwater to produce rice, and therefore, they plow their paddy fields in monsoon. However, they grow most of the vegetables in winter when it's drier and colder.
Do you like rainy days?
Of course, yes. I like it when it rains. I love all the freshness around, the cool air after a heavy rain. It's wonderful.
Do you like winters?
No, not really. For me, winter is the most depressing season. Because where I live, it's freezing cold in the winter. Moreover, the days are short and you can't do a lot of outdoor activities.
Does the weather in your country ever affect transportation?
Yes. Weather in my country has affected many times the transportation system. Because when there is heavy rain, then buses don't run on time and the waterlogging often occurs. And people find it hard to travel from one place to another, and they have to shut down all the shops as well as people can't buy anything due to extreme weather conditions.
How does the climate of a place affect the kind of buildings that are built there?
Well, if the climate is hot, then the builders will construct the buildings to stay as cool as possible. But if you are in a cold climate, then you might find double insulation on the windows. Or the houses will be built to retain heat as much as possible. It's quite common to see a house with a bunch of open porches and verandas in a hot climate. And probably every room will have a hole for an air conditioning vent. But colder climates will most likely have central heating.
Do you think fighting global climate change is a governmental responsibility or the responsibility of individuals?
As the saying goes, many hands make light work. If the government and individuals work together on the climate problems, there will be many changes and more progress will be made. Of course, more responsibility should fall on the shoulders of the government because they have the means to do more than the average citizen. But that shouldn't stop ordinary people from doing their parts.
Okay, bye. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day.
Bye, see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video. Subscribe.